Online courses have transformed the education landscape. Learning management systems have become essential to institutional and student success. But one challenge has continually plagued the industry: LMS migration. Universities have been handcuffed by their learning management systems. Prolonged migration timelines stretch over several years. Manual processes exhaust resources, and labor-intensive QA is required to correct errors that appear after migration. But what if there was an answer to this problem? A service that eliminates the need for rudimentary approaches like common cartridge, copy-paste, and white glove services. And what if this service could reduce migration time by over 90%? Introducing SystemMigration from K16 Solutions, the industry's first fully integrated content migration service. With cloud-based technology that moves content in real time, SystemMigration is empowering universities to make the decision to migrate to a new LMS, when they want, how they want. For the first time, institutions will benefit from simultaneous import-export of hundreds of courses, simplified QA with the ability to quickly identify exceptions and find and replace keywords, automated standardization that reduces manual cleanup after migration, and support from experts who make sure your content migrates quickly and efficiently. Plus, no other service includes seamless, automatic transfer of tests, quizzes, and question pools, saving you even more time and effort. Now is the time to experience the quality, accuracy, and speed only K16 Solutions can offer. Explore how SystemMigration will empower you to take back control of your LMS. Visit K16Solutions.com to learn more.